In this video, I'll be showing you my Lead Transformers Challenge review. So in a nutshell, Lead Transformers Challenge is all about how you can get high quality buyer leads using your Facebook profile. And the very good thing about this particular product is that it is not just few videos which are being dumped to you. This course has been divided into actionable days. It has been divided into 7 days, and on each day you are going to get some actions of what you need to do to generate high quality leads from your Facebook profile without running any paid ads. So if this is something that interests you, please make sure you watch this video towards the end, as I'll be showing you what is there inside the members area. I'll be also showing you my bonuses which I've compiled for you guys. We'll be taking a look at the sales page. I'll be telling you about the different price points of Lead Transformers Challenge. And finally, I'll be telling you if you have to get this thing or not. And in case you don't know me, my name is Saurabh, and this channel is all about latest product reviews, tips and tricks on affiliate marketing, and a lot more. But Facebook is one of a very popular social media platform, and everybody uses Facebook. But not everyone knows how they can generate money from your Facebook profile without running any paid ads. And this is what is being covered inside Lead Transformers Challenge, as to how you need to build your profile, how you need to connect with people, what all people you need to connect with. And this particular strategy, it works for any niche. Not only make money online, but it works for health and fitness or any other thing which you're into. You can generate high quality buyer leads right from your Facebook profile. So whether you are a course creator, you are selling some service, or you're promoting products as an affiliate, you can use your Facebook profile the right way to generate leads and commissions in your business. So I have also put together custom bonuses. The link to my bonus page is in the description down below. Once you click on that link, you will come to this particular page of mine, and make sure you pick up these bonuses before this countdown timer runs out. And I have crafted these bonus that is going to help you to succeed with this Lead Transformer Challenge. And the number one bonus I'm going to give to you is a 60-minute coaching call, where I'll be connecting with you and I'll be telling you how you need to set up everything you need to go through this particular challenge. So that's going to be 60 minutes of my time with you, and I'll help you in setting up the entire system. Bonus number two, I'm going to give you 60 days worth of social media posts. So you're going to get 60 days worth of done for you social media posts for your Facebook profile, which you can just copy and paste, and you can build a profile. Because one of the things which you need in order to succeed using Facebook is building a profile, and that must be covered in one of the days over here. And this particular bonus is going to help you do that. Now, bonus number three, I'm going to give you my Facebook Messenger script, and I have used the same script to generate thousands of dollars from my Facebook profile. This is my Facebook profile. You can go ahead and check me out on Facebook. And using this messenger script, I have generated thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions. So bonus number four, I'm going to give you another course, which is how you can make money from Facebook Live. So if you are not doing Facebook Lives, you are missing out a lot, as this is one of the best strategy to generate leads and commissions in your business by doing Facebook Live. But you have to go do the Facebook Lives with a particular strategy, and that you will learn inside this course, which I'm going to give you as a bonus. Bonus number five, I'm going to give you a course on Facebook ads. So if you want to take your Facebook business to the next level, then you can follow this course on Facebook ads and run Facebook ads to generate leads using paid method. So these are all my bonuses, and all your bonuses will be right there waiting for you inside Warrior Plus dashboard. Once you complete your purchase, just need to click on this access affiliate button, and that will take you to my bonuses. And all you need to do, just click on these red buttons on this page. That will take you to this sales page. And this product has been created by this lady Ivana, and the headline says full-time mom cracks the FB code to attract 100 plus high quality leads using a simple and 100% free method. So whatever you're going to learn inside this course, it's all free. You do not need any single penny to implement this strategy. And It's a simple and newbie friendly. It's very unique. And as I said, this course has been divided into days, which is going to help you with some actionable steps. So it's not just theory. It's the live calls and everything which is there inside on each of these days, which you will learn. And you can generate high quality leads for any kind of business. So you can just go through this sales page. It's a very nice looking sales page. And once you're ready to purchase, just click on get access to lead transformers challenge, and that will take you to Warrior Plus, where you will be completing the purchase. And now let me show you what is there inside the members area. So this is how your members area will looks like. And you're first going to get the getting started video, you're going to get the welcome video, and then the day zero is the preparation as to what all things you need to take care of, what all Facebook groups you need to join and everything. And then comes the real training on from day 1 till day 7. So day 1 is all about finding your ideal client, providing value in group. So each and everything has been uh, mentioned in detail about how you need to take action on these. And you're also going to get the homework, and you're also going to get the Q&A for each and every day. So all you need to do, just go through this on in 7 days, and just take action, and you will be able to build a successful business using your Facebook profile. And you're also going to get some of the bonuses from the vendor. And there are some additional upgrades as well, which I'll be covering later on in this video. So this is all you're going to get inside the members area, and it's a very high quality course, as I said. And now, how much it is going to cost you? So this all these bonuses and all this training, it is only going to cost you $17. That's the price, and it's just one time price. And then there are some optional upgrades, and these upgrades are there so that you can succeed quickly as compared to the usual path. So the upgrade number 1 is the done for you packet for $37. So basically you're going to get 51 done for you files, 80 engagement posts, motivational posts, value posts. So I've also got you covered through my bonus, where I'm going to give you 60 days worth of Facebook post. Upgrade number 2 is the auto community growth for $37. So basically you're going to get 10 more videos, how to grow your community on autopilots, and how you need to build your email list as well. So it's a kind of advanced training you're going to get. Upgrade number 3 is the Biz Transformers program for 332 $33 per month, and there is a $33 trial. So it's the complete coaching program, where you're going to get everything in detail. So these are the 3 upsells for this course. I highly recommend you pick up at least this upsell number 2, which is the advanced training, and you will be all set. And not talking about whether you have to get this thing or not. Well, if you are someone who is looking to make affiliate commissions or looking to sell your services, Facebook is one of the best social media platform to get started with. And this particular course is my number 1 recommendation if you are willing to go with Facebook as your preferred method to make money online. And everything has been covered in detail in easy to understand language with actionable steps. And I'll be there to help you out with through my bonuses as well. So it's a thumbs up from my side. And again, the link to my bonus page is in the description down below. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Cheers.